Okay, today I'm going to change it to Toyota 4Runner. The code is P1135. Air fuel sensor heater circuit, bank 1 sensor 1. This one right here, the Toyota 4Runner. And what you need is underneath from this one. Underneath from here, you can see this up here. Open right here. See right there. It's right in the corner right there. That's one right there. Okay. So what two unique ready socket like this only. Number, let me see, number 12. Yes. Socket number 12. And this sensor here needs to replace this one like this. Okay, so in front plug and this one, and you'll be okay. So what is that? This is the front, that's the rear, is the passenger side. You go down here. Okay, you keep moving back by the assault right here. You will see it right here. See this one right here? This one? Okay. You lose number 12 right there, and number 12 right here. And the circuit is right here. So you take it out and easy. 1, 2, take it out, put the new one in, tight it. That's it. Enjoy.